what we've been told, this place behind me actually is supposed to have some of the best burritos in Okinawa. In my opinion, California, especially Southern California, San Diego area, has some of the best burritos I've ever had. It's pretty much exactly like being in Mexico, except when I was in Mexico, there was less standards. So it's like Mexico with food standards. To be honest, I'm actually quite excited to have some good burritos again, finally, if this place is really good. Don't get me wrong, I said it in my last video about burritos, is that Okinawa does have some good Mexican food. I've found some good taco places and some good burrito places, but none of them taste authentic in the same way that American sushi is not authentic, but I still love American sushi, even though it's not authentic.
That's good guacamole.
Based on how the guacamole tastes and the chili tastes, it's pretty good. And I'm excited for the burrito. This is some of the best guacamole I've had in Okinawa, and maybe ever. It's really good.
Aside from what I make, yeah, it's actually pretty good.
Yeah, of course, aside from what you make.
Your mom makes good guacamole too.
Yeah, she does.
Nothing. That's a good tortilla. That's a good tortilla. That is a good. I'm like, I don't even know what to say. I'm actually really happy right now.
Going in, first bite. I don't know how I feel about it. It is really good. I don't know if it's authentic still.
No, it's not. But it is probably the best I've had in terms of like tortilla being really good.
As far as burritos go here, yeah. Let's try this Louisiana one. It's probably pretty hot though. I think that's too much. We'll see. It tastes like buffalo wing sauce. It's okay. I don't know if it belongs on.
Do you prefer this?
Yeah, I like the smoked one. That one's really good. This one, I'm not sure it belongs on a burrito, but it is really good sauce. How about this? Yeah, that's the hottest one so far, but it's still not that hot.
Really?
Just trying them all.
Can I have a burrito now? Can I have my burrito now?
Yeah, thank you. All right, so final verdict on this place. What'd you think?
I thought it was good. I think it satiated the Mexican Cal-Mex Tex-Mex craving. I mean, it's not 100%, but it's the best I've had so far, and that guacamole was really good.
Yeah, the guacamole was some of the best I've had on the island. The burrito was actually really good. The The tortilla was very good too. And actually that's something that's kind of hard to find here.
That's good.
That's good. But the other thing I wanted to say is the only reason I think it wasn't as good is because it all tasted healthier. I feel like Mexican food,
It was like super greasy.
yeah, it's supposed to be unhealthy, super greasy.
I mean, the
and
flavoring
like
was really good.
this was if you take Mexican food and just healthanize it.
But it's no like corner straight.
Yeah, it's no like taco truck,
yeah.
taco, San Diego taco truck tacos or anything. Yeah.
Like the greasy Mexican food place that's super good and unhealthy for you.
Yeah.
Covered in lard and cheese. Oh, yeah.
So that's it for today. today, went to Maeda, tried out a burrito. Wanted to try out this burrito place because, you know, we've been looking for a really good burrito in Okinawa. And again, this one was very good. But like I said before, I think it was a bit too healthy to be authentic. It was a very fresh, like a really good burrito. And that's not real Mexican food. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more about Okinawa and Japan. And as always, see you in the next video.